This is greenhouse farming sack. So these are just, you could see the drip tape on the sacks to supply irrigation. And so we have the bags are ready to receive our tomato seedlings. So in any way, farming is still, and we have to be innovative about what we do in agriculture. And so sack farming gives you opportunity to control weed. Even the greenhouse structure gives opportunity to control the amount of water, the amount of sunlight rays, and to give you optimum production environment that can enhance productivity and gives you opportunity to get the best out of your